In this video, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to copy one screen from one Desmos activity and paste it into another Desmos activity. It doesn't take too many steps. So I have some collections of activities here, and I'm just going to find two that I want to look at. So I'm going to click the marble slide. So Control click it. And then I'm going to go ahead and add another tab and go to teacher.desmos.com again. Go to collections and add another one. I'll go ahead and add linear equations in standard form. So now I have two activities here. Now let's just pretend that the second tab I have open is the one I want to edit. And the first tab I have open is the one I want to copy a screen from. So the second one I will open up and I'll edit it. So this would go to copy and edit. So here are all my screens available. And if I want to add another screen, I just click the plus button. And now I have this empty screen or slide. Now I'm going to go to the other one and notice this one is not in edit mode. I'll go to student preview and I just want to pick one of these slides to add. Let's say I particularly like the practice example slide. So I'm going to click copy this screen. It's the little icon just next to student screen preview. Then I'm going to click on the other tab into my edit file and do Control V. This will copy what I had in the other screen into this assignment. And then I just hit publish.